Are you organizing your home or organizing your anxiety? 91% say cleaning reduces stress. 56% say it works better than yoga or meditation. But this does not mean organizing is always healthy. Sometimes it is just a habit. Sometimes it is a useful way to relax. And sometimes it is a quiet attempt to regain control when life feels uncertain. So today, let's break it down. Why organizing feels so calming. What psychological need it serves. Where the healthy line is. And when order slowly turns into pressure. Let's begin. Why order feels so good. When you organize your home, something simple happens. Things move from chaos to structure, from random to predictable, from unclear to clear. Your brain likes this. A messy space creates many small decisions. Where is this? What should I do with that? Should I move it now or later? Each small decision uses mental energy. When the space becomes organized, those decisions disappear. The brain relaxes. This is why many people feel calm after cleaning. Not proud, not excited, just quiet. Order reduces mental noise. It creates a short moment where the world feels simpler, clearer, more manageable. But this calm does not always come from the space itself. Sometimes it comes from what the space represents. 2. Order as a form of control. For many people, organizing is not really about objects. It is about control. Life is often unpredictable. Work changes, money worries appear. Relationships feel unstable. News is overwhelming. In this environment, the mind looks for something stable. The home becomes that place. The home is small, limited, manageable. You cannot control the economy. You cannot control other people. But you can control a drawer, a shelf, a room. And that control feels safe. It creates the feeling, at least something is in order. This is not weakness. It is a normal human response to uncertainty. But when control becomes the main source of calm, the system becomes fragile. When organizing becomes a coping mechanism. There is a difference between enjoying order and needing order. Healthy organizing feels satisfying, improves daily life, and can be ignored when needed. Unhealthy organizing feels urgent, feels necessary to stay calm, and creates stress when interrupted. Some people clean when they feel anxious. Some reorganize when they feel overwhelmed. Some cannot sit still unless everything is fixed. The problem is not cleaning itself. The problem is dependency. If calm only comes after organizing, then calm is not stable. It must be constantly recreated. And that is exhausting. 4. The identity connection. For some people, the home becomes part of identity. This is who I am. I am organized. I am disciplined. I have my life together. The space becomes proof, not only for others, but for the person living inside it. This can be healthy. A home can reflect values, clarity, simplicity, care. But identity becomes fragile when it depends on perfection. When disorder feels like failure, the home stops being a place of rest. It becomes a system that must be defended. 5. A critical question. Here is the key question. Does organizing help you live, or does it help you avoid something? Avoid rest, avoid uncertainty, avoid uncomfortable thoughts. Some people clean instead of sitting with emotion. Some organize instead of slowing down. Some fix objects because feelings feel harder to fix. Again, this is not wrong, but it matters because avoidance looks calm on the outside and tense on the inside. 6. A simple self-check. Here is a small experiment. Leave one small area slightly imperfect. A table, a shelf, a corner. Do not fix it for 48 hours. Then observe. Do you feel mild discomfort? Or strong tension? Or constant thoughts about it? Notice not judgment, just reaction. Strong reaction often points not to love of order, but to fear of disorder. And fear deserves understanding, not control. 7. The healthy balance. Organizing is healthy when it supports your life, saves mental energy, and leaves room for flexibility. It becomes unhealthy when it replaces emotional regulation, creates pressure, or controls your mood. The goal is not mess. The goal is freedom. To organize because you want to, not because you must. Final thought. There is no universal answer. Some people truly love organizing. Some need it. Some use it to cope. What matters is awareness, because awareness gives choice, and choice creates calm that does not depend on perfect order. So tell me in the comments, does organizing your home calm you or pressure you? Maybe your experience will help someone who feels the same, but has never named it. This is the If verse, the place where your mind becomes easier to understand. Subscribe. There's so much more to explore. Thank you for watching.